Hey there everyone, in this video of FreeCAD, I'm going to talk about how to enable thumbnails in FreeCAD. Now one may think of what exactly is this thumbnail? Well, this thumbnail is going to create a small preview image of your part whenever you save it. And later, whenever you are browsing your file, you will see a quick preview of it without opening the FreeCAD. Very useful for organizing projects. Although I would say in many CAD software that is not needed. But here, in case of FreeCAD, it is providing you this as a setting, giving you option to customize it. And for that, what we need to do here is, we need to go here on the top on edit. And now I'm gonna go down here in preferences. And now here, we need to go to document. And then go to this option which says save thumbnail into project when saving your document. So whenever you save your document, it will create thumbnails such that next time whenever you open it, you're gonna see the latest snapshot of your file. And then as I was mentioning, FreeCAD have given us even more option. For example, here you can define the size of it. So here I put a 512, which means that now the size of it will be around 512 pixels. And you can also enable this option which kind of add program logo to the generated thumbnail. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. Subscribe to Engineering with Pritam to follow complete FreeCAD series from zero, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.